Welcome to WTM.Cars YouTube channel. WTM.Cars. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
The all-new 2025 Dacia Sandman Pickup Truck. Dacia introduces the 2025 Sandman Pickup Truck, a versatile and affordable model built for work and adventure. Known for its practical design, the Sandman combines Dacia's tough look with useful features for drivers seeking a reliable truck with light off-road abilities. Exterior design: strong and ready. Durable look: with a bold grille, sharp lines, and sturdy bumpers, the Sandman is made for both city tasks and outdoor journeys. Flexible cargo bed: the bed includes tie-downs, side hooks, and a durable liner, making it perfect for carrying everything from tools to camping gear. Compact but roomy: small enough for city driving yet roomy enough for all your needs, the Sandman is ready for any road. Performance and capability: efficient engines. Engine options include a turbo petrol and a fuel-efficient diesel, providing solid power for hauling while saving on fuel. Off-road ready: with all-terrain tires, optional 4WD, and high ground clearance, the Sandman can handle rough roads for weekend getaways. Comfortable ride: reinforced suspension ensures a smooth ride on highways and rough paths alike. Interior: comfort and utility. Modern tech: a touchscreen infotainment system, Bluetooth, and optional navigation keep you connected and entertained. Durable seating: comfortable, easy-to-clean seats make it practical for any weather, with ergonomic design for long drives. Smart storage: the cabin includes under-seat storage and other compartments for personal items and tools. Safety and assistance: essential safety. Key features like ABS, traction control, lane departure warning, and a rear-view camera provide confidence on all trips. Driver assistance: hill descent control and trailer sway control support safe towing and off-road handling. Perfect for the active driver, the 2025 Dacia Sandman Pickup Truck is a durable, practical, and adventure-ready choice. From daily tasks to outdoor adventures, it offers reliable performance and versatility for those who seek both work utility and a taste of exploration.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.